How to add motion blur to video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device. Then you can see the option of new project. So just tap on it, or you can select any of the projects that you want that you've already saved. Selecting on the video that you want to add motion blur to, you can see different options of menus over here at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on the effects option which is available over here. Tap on effects, then tap on video effects. After tapping on the video effects, you'll be able to see different options over here, from the trending ones to nightclub, lens, retro, and so on. You just have to search for the motion blur option. So you can search it by scrolling it down, or you can just tap on the search bar and search for motion blur. As you tap on motion blur, you'll be able to see the option of motion blur over here. So just tap on that, then tap on cancel, tick mark. Then you can select in which part of the video you want to add the motion blur to. For example, if I want to add the motion blur to two places over here, so just select it and drag it over there. Or you can also increase the duration of it by elongating this effect. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates.